Hello, my beautiful friends. We are going to unbox our witch casket. It is here. I have watched other unboxings. I know it's in here already, but I don't care because I read the last chapter of a book before I'll buy it because I've got a lot of books. I won't be wasting my time. So I already know that I'm going to love some of these things in here. And you say, well, why is your unboxing unique, BRG? Because I'm not a witch. And so I probably I'm sure Witch Casket has a million subscribers that aren't witches, but I love their box. I love their vibe. I love the people who run the company. I think it's a great company. I think they put a lot of really great work into their products. Even if a box, or an item doesn't resonate with me, like they curate, they design the things, they oversee it. Oversee the designs of things, so it isn't just them going out and picking out a bunch of stuff from Etsy and putting it in a box. Like they think about the theme, they create the artwork around the theme, they create the writing to go with the theme, and so it's always the box is always really awesome. And they always have, there's always a ritual that you can do, which it could be a magical spell if you want it to be. It's whatever your intention is. So I am a huge fan of the box, and even though I know it's in here, I'm going to unbox anyway. They have a beautiful booklet that goes with all of their boxes. We read that at the end. There's always beautiful artwork. So this is the artwork. And then on the back of the artwork, there are always these questions: monthly manifestations. What are my goals? What practical steps can I take to reach these goals? What magical steps can so what practical steps and what magical steps? And then the quote is, the seeds are planted, intentions are set, I command my desires to be met. So I always love that. As an English teacher, this is and every month they come with these little cool prompts in this picture. I'm not a huge fan of skeletons. I'm not a big skeleton person, but I do know that in the community that resonates a lot. So I like the heart, though. So I'm going to guess that this is, what's the theme? Love charms, because it's February. I love February because if you follow the channel, I like hearts. I like things that are pink. There are different shades of pink. I don't like Pepto-Bismol pink or Barbie pink. I like more of a mauve or a light pink, like rose quartz pink. Okay, so, speaking of rose quartz, here's a rose quartz. I can see it even though it's black through the bottle. Look at that baby. So I learned that if you hold it in your hand and it stays cold, then it's a real crystal. Sassy was talking about a company that we will not name that uses fake crystals. One of them fell, and then when it fell, it broke, and there was concrete or something inside of it. But this is staying cold, so this is a true crystal, and it's perfect. It's going to stay right with me, too. It's going to stay right with me. So I have a lot of rose quartz. I have a huge, chunky thing of rose quartz. I love rose quartz. And of course, there's a little card that tells you what it is, that it's rose quartz. Let's go ahead and read that. Holy smokes, witch casket. You don't know that you have, old people here. The archetypal love stone. I love that they use the word archetypal. That's what my literary work has been in. Carry this gentle, loving stone to attract love of all kinds. Rose quartz can also help to restore trust and harmony in relationships and heal the heart from past experiences. If I were the kind of girl that wore rocks in her bra like my friends, I would just line my bra with rose quartz. There won't be a lot of room because I got big boobs. But anyway, I digress. Okay, so open your heart bath ritual kit. Contains all you need to prepare your heart to receive the love you deserve. I love ritual baths. I have to say, I like baths, really. I like to be in water. So when I have a ritual bath to do, it's like an excuse. So here's the ritual. Open your heart bath ritual. It tells you what to do. Look at the little love potion. And there's bag 1, bag 2. So, fun fact, when I first started down this journey, I didn't know you were supposed to put your ritual bath stuff in a little bag like this. And then I spent a lot of time cleaning stuff, especially lavender, out of the jets in my tub. So I have a jacuzzi tub and a little pink candle. So I'm very excited to try this. In fact, I might use this later tonight. So that's awesome. That is awesome. There's always a cool pin. Oh, it's a book pin. Love spells book pin. But it's a book pin. I don't know what I'm going to do with all the pins that I get. I have a scarf upstairs. I think I'm going to put them all on. Alright, then there's this bag. Just a simple little black bag. I saw this in somebody else's box. It's even cooler in person. It is a necklace. A black rose. You know, I don't wear a lot of different necklaces. I kind of wear the same ones, even though I wear a lot of them. But this is totally one that I could see myself wearing. Not every day. This would be like my fancy necklace that I wear for a fancy event at work. That's awesome. So far, I love this box. We have bath salts. So in addition to your bath ritual, you don't have to have that just one day. Oh, look at this cool little bottle. This little bottle of bath salts. And what's in it? Oh, little print is in it. This is a multi-use salt to use in spells, rituals to attract love. Stir clockwise in your bathtub. Use as a foot soak. Add to warm water to use as a floor door wash. Add to warm water to use as a doorstep scrub. Use as boundary salt. Do not use on surfaces which can be easily damaged by abrasives. A magical salt blend with 100% jasmine oil and chamomile flowers. So cool. I'm going to use it as a bath salt. Alright, what else is... There's always so much cool stuff in here. Loving Home Hanging Charm. The boxes are so cute, too. I saw this. This is the thing I knew I was going to love, and I'd love it even more in person. Man, is that weighty. Look at that. And then you open it. So you put things into it, and they give you some things to put into it. That is so cool. That is really, really cool. I'm so excited to have it. Like, it's etched on the front. I don't know that you can see that on the camera. But, I mean, and it weighs something. Like, that is chunky. And then there are two... That's milkweed. And these are little stones. We'll look and see what those are in a hot second. I knew I was going to love that. I thought I was going to love it the most, but quite frankly, I love everything so far, so it's kind of hard to pick. There's this very cool bottle. Love Potion bottle. Oh, it's got little peanuts in it. Do you want one of these? Dirk. Go ahead. Dirk wanted one of those. That's the bottle. Oh. It comes with a little cork that I threw away. There we go. Look at that. And that's etched with little hearts on it. That is very cool. That would be really cool for moon water, which I would have collected the other night on the full moon, but I'll have to wait till the next full moon and collect it. All of these things are just fantastic. Then there's, their incense is by far the best. And this is Loving Vibrations incense. Let us sniff it, shall we? If I can figure out how to open it. I don't know where they get their incense, or if they make it themselves, or what company they use, but they by far have the best incense. Like, they have the best incense out on the market in any box. There's two more things. There's their scroll. It always has such a cute little sticker that I suck at opening. I don't like to rip it. Like, Witch Casket, could you send a non-cute sticker version to BRG, because she sucks at opening stuff like this. because I don't want to rip the paper. All right. Plants and crystals for love spells. Self-love, romantic love, friendship, and passionate love. Dave would be very excited if I go down the passionate love route. That's interesting. It's all the crystals and plants that kind of go together for different love spells, which I would call rituals, which is very cool. And then there's a box of the Loving Oracle. A magical card deck to give insight to friendships, romance, and matters of the heart. If you need insight into a particular relationship, shuffle the deck while thinking of the question and pull the card. Let us do that, shall we? We'll think of somebody, and we'll see what the cards say. If I can get them out of the box, that is. Which, finally we did it. Okay. Now these have not been smudged and... But... Thinking of a person. See what card comes out. Must be this one because it's second one home. Roller coaster. Are there too many ups and downs? You need to think carefully about whether such unpredictability is good for you. No shit. That is exactly what I think about that particular relationship. All right, let's try another one, shall we? Respect. Command respect, and if it's not forthcoming, it's a time to walk away. Less applies to the person I was thinking of there, but one more, because we have to do things in 3. We're Celtic. Reconciliation. Let bygones be bygones and embrace the future. Doesn't really apply to the person I was thinking about there. But I didn't smoke the cards. I really didn't put my intentions in. So, you know. But they're cool. They are super cool. And I'm going to keep them handy. This was a great box. Thank you so much, Witch Casket. I'll put a link below. I'm not sponsored by them. This is one of my favorite boxes. This box and the box, Spiritual Goodies, I like a lot. And I like Wee Box from Scotland. So my 2 favorite boxes, 2 of the 3 come from the UK. It's worth the shipping. All right, I'm wishing you all the best in light and love. Be well. Take care. Bye-bye.